Hi, I'm Jen Long, Creative Director at Sizzix, and we're here to look at our Sizzix accessory, the Pom-Pom Maker. The Pom-Pom Maker allows you to make your own custom-sized pom-poms at home with our new accessory tools. So let's take a look at what's included. We give you a variety of 4 different sizes of pom-pom makers, so you can make small, medium, and large pom-poms all at home, and it is so quick and easy to make. Let me show you how you do it. Each different size comes with 2 pieces, and you can see that one side is raised and another side has holes in it, and you simply just match those 2 sides up on each side. And that's what you're going to start with. At this point, you're going to start wrapping yarn all the way around the entire maker. You're going to complete this side, and you're going to jump over and complete this side until it's fully wrapped. Now you can make it as full or as skinny as you like. And then we're going to close our pom-pom maker, push our tabs down, and then you see this little groove here. The reason why these aren't connected, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to trim all the way around that groove on both sides. And your last step is you're going to take a piece of yarn and you're going to put it in that groove and you're going to tie it up, and that's what's going to secure your pom-pom. You just unhook your clips. Once it's out, you can give it a little trim and you have your perfect pom-pom. Now, some of the projects you can make with these are beautiful garlands. We've used different sizes and different colors, and these fun little animal creatures. So you're able to make home decor projects, decorate fabric projects, make your own little creatures and garlands, all with the Pom-Pom Maker from Sizzix.